What the heck is that? What the hell? Ah, little brownie. What are you doing here, girl? Why are you hooked up, brownie? Come on. They're just gonna hurt you. You go. Go, little fish. Stupid. Hello, girls and boys. How are we doing this morning? Huh? Boo. Anything new this morning? You know me? I'm Mr. Spooker. Bye. Cows. Beautiful animals. You need them. Got it? I think go on front. Brownie. One brownie. Very nice, beautiful fish. Nice brown fish. Beautiful. Yeah. Nice brownie. There was two of them trying to get some lure. Beautiful. Beautiful fish. Here we go. She's gone. Yeah, thanks God for that. Fuck you. That's nice. Nice. Nice brownie. Not bad. Nice brownie. Come down, darling. Come down. Come down, come down. Gotta go. I'm stressed. Just that beautiful colors. Let's relax. Settle down, buddy. Settle down, buddy. Settle down, settle down. Nice small trout. Brownie. Beautiful colors. Look at those colors. Guys. Look at that beautiful color. Look at that beautiful color. Look. Such a beautiful fish. Such a beautiful. Look at that beautiful colors. Nice. Settle down, darling. Settle down. Yeah, you wanna go? Let her relax a little bit. There we go. Off you go. Hey, you. I got another one. Whoop whoop. What we got this time? I got a nice brownie. Again. This is a nice size fish. Yeah, nice size brownie. Two fish in really nice. This one's already. Be very, very careful, not a hard fish. That's it. Off you go, darling. Off you go. Go, baby. Woo! She's gone. That's alright. Here we go, guys. It's a snake skin. Look at this. She just shaved off. And see, you can see maybe she was around maybe approximately 1.2 meters long. Yeah, that's what it is. That means she's living around here. Yeah, little tiger. And yeah, that's where she shed off her skin. See, always Mother Nature can bring something to you. See, that's the beads. Yeah, I'm gonna grab another one. I need to be very, very careful not to get bitten by one. I just call off today's trip, the short one, around this little mountain stream. It's a little stream, but getting hard and hard to walk through because of those slippery rocks. And day was not that bad. It's really hot. It's about 35 degrees, which is a little bit unusual for this time of the year. Yeah, I'd like to say thanks to everyone. Just salute you all. Until next time, peace with you. God bless you. Take care of yourself and each other. And thank you very much. Bye.